Le son des 26 lettres. Le son des 26 lettres. The sound of the 26 letters. In the last video, we studied the name of the 26 letters. Now we are looking at the sound of the 26 letters. Letter A in French make the sound A. Letter B, B. Letter C, S, or K, the soft sound and the hard sound. Letter D, D. Letter E make almost 3 sounds here, but they are almost similar until we study them one by one that you can differentiate them. E, E, E. So when we come to the study one by one, you understand and differentiate them very clear. Letter F, it made the sound. Letter G, make the sound J and G, a soft and hard sound. Now, the letter H. Letter H doesn't have a sound in French on its own until it is associated with another letter, or another letter is added to it for it to make a sound. So we've not put anything there. As it is, we can see that when we are going to study them one by one, I will enlighten you more about that. That letter H is when it's associated with letter C. Letter C at the front, that it produces a sound sh or k. So it depends. When we come there, we will learn more about it. Letter I make the sound E. E. Letter J make the sound J. 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 Letter K make the sound K. K. Letter L make the sound L. 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 Letter M make the sound M. 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 Then letter N make the sound N. 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 Letter O make the sound O or O. It's two. O or O. 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 Letter P make the sound P. P. Letter Q make the sound K or Q. Q. K or Q. Letter R make the sound R. 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 Letter S make the sound S. S. Letter T make the sound T. T. Letter U make the sound U, and it has 2 sounds over there. Now when we study them, you see the difference clearly. Letter V make the sound V. V. Letter W make 2 sounds. It can pronounce W. W or V. Letter X make the sound X or X or Z or S or totally silent. Then letter Y make the sound E or E, the 2 sounds E or E. Then letter Z make the sound Z. Merci pour votre attention. Thank you for listening.